Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado sauce step by step. Start by halving and pitting ripe avocados, then scoop flesh into a blender. Add fresh lime juice, peeled garlic, chopped cilantro, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Blend until smooth, stopping to scrape down sides. If too thick, thin with a splash of water or more lime juice. A great avocado sauce hinges on balance, so start mild and build flavors slowly. Squeeze fresh lime juice for brightness and add salt 1 pinch at a time, tasting often. If you want heat, include chopped jalapeno or a pinch of cayenne. For subtle sweetness or to tame bitterness, a small drizzle of honey works well. Keep texture in mind. Thinner for dressings, thicker for dips and spreads. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful recipes. Quick recommendation. Life is short for a stinky car, so grab a little tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great and your mind on good food. You'll find the link and other deals in the description below, and it pairs nicely with picnic plans. Now let's get back to the video. This versatile avocado sauce pairs wonderfully with tacos, grilled meats, salads, and sandwiches. To prevent browning, press plastic directly onto the sauce surface or add a thin layer of water before sealing. For quick use later, freeze small portions in ice cube trays and thaw as needed. This preserves flavor and saves time. Experiment with herbs and spices to personalize the sauce for different dishes and occasions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.